Sup guys, this is a new Hot Wheels Harness video, and today we have Hot Wheels unboxing of 5 JDM cars and Japanese historics too. The first car is the 95 Mazda RX-7. This is the recolor number 11 of the casting. The next is the DATSUN WAGON with MOMO TAMPOS. In the year 2019, the DATSUN 510 of the MAINLINE 2 had MOMO TAMPOS. Now is the turn of the SAVANNA RX-7. This one is a new casting and have cool details on the front and back. We continue with the manga tuner. I asked in the community if it is for you a JDM car, and you said yes. The cool design of this one made it one of the most beloved fantasy casting of 2020. And the last MAINLINE in this unboxing is the Honda S2000. With sweet white wheels, yellow body and G-ready TAMPOS, this recolor is a highlight of the Honda mini collection. And now we start with the Japanese historics too. The first is the DATSUN BLUEBIRD 510. The details on it are awesome. And the grey body and wheels are a cold and cool combination. The second Japanese historic is the MAZDA RX-3. I think this one needs more TAMPOS, but the orange looks good on it. The next is the NISSAN Fair Ready set. In my opinion, a very simple design like the Honda S2000. But I really love the wheels and details. Now is the turn of the NISSAN Laurel 2000 SGX. The special thing about this one is that its body is low and wide. The details are perfect and the dark green looks classic. And the last one is the NISSAN SKYLINE C210. Like the 2000 SGX, this is so low and I really appreciate that. And the purple looks cool on it. And this was the unboxing of the week. If you want to subscribe, like the video. Bye bye.